Hello, high-level enthusiasts. In this tutorial, we'll explore the steps involved in crafting a 3-step sales funnel using HighLevel. Let's jump right in and start this lesson. Upon logging into HighLevel, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. From there, navigate to the global snapshot, where each entry represents a sub-account for our various clients, including one for our agency's use. To begin creating a funnel and landing page for driving traffic, we'll head to the Funnels and Website section and choose Funnels. Here, you'll notice a selection of existing funnels, some of which are currently active. Essentially, a funnel comprises web pages aimed at achieving specific business objectives, such as product purchases, lead form submissions, or membership subscriptions. Our focus primarily revolves around lead generation. To initiate, I'll create a new funnel by selecting New Funnel, entering a name for it, and clicking Create Funnel. Although the funnel structure is displayed on the dashboard, we need to establish its steps. Funnels can range from single-step to multi-step setups, with the latter being more common. For instance, a 2-step funnel involves users clicking on an ad and landing on a designated page, the first step, where they're prompted to complete an action, such as filling out a form. Upon action completion, users are redirected to a thank you page, constituting the second step of the funnel. A 3-step funnel follows a similar concept, with the addition of a middle page. Traffic initially lands on the landing page, where they typically encounter a call to action button directing them to an action page. This action page typically hosts a form, an order page for e-commerce, or a sign-up field for joining an email list. Upon completion of the action, users are directed to a thank you page, marking the conclusion of the 3-step process. The rationale behind opting for a 3-step funnel lies in the analytics, as segmenting out the process into 3 pages provides more insights into potential gaps. For example, if users progress to the second page but fail to reach the third, it suggests issues lie within the form or qualification process rather than the landing page. In this instance, I'll demonstrate the setup of a 3-step funnel. To add a new step, steps are added in sequential order, with the landing page designated as the initial step. Following this, additional steps such as the form fill-out page and the thank you page are created. The inclusion of a thank you page is crucial, as it allows for the placement of tracking codes, ensuring that traffic on this page comprises individuals who have provided their information or completed a desired action. Now, let's begin by editing the landing page. To do so, simply click on Edit to access the HighLevel page editor. The editing process involves creating sections, followed by rows within those sections, and finally adding columns to organize the content. Starting with a section, you can choose the width preference, such as full width or smaller options. Within a column, you can add elements which constitute the actual content of the page. For instance, you can insert a prominent headline like Join our GoHighLevel Mastery course. Utilizing the formatting settings, you can adjust the appearance of the title, such as its size and color. Additionally, you can include images and logos and adjust their size and position accordingly. To enhance the visual appeal, you can modify the padding and margin to adjust the space around the elements. Once the foundational elements are in place, consider adding a subheadline to highlight the solution. Finally, encourage action by including a call to action button for interested users to take the next step. After this point, you can continue adding more content and value further down the page. One effective strategy is to incorporate social proof shortly after the main call to action. In a new section, consider adding columns where you can display reviews, testimonials, or icons representing achievements or certifications. Ensure that the page remains highly relevant, clean, and accessible across different devices. It's essential to have multiple buttons strategically placed throughout the page to encourage user interaction. Once the layout is finalized, save the changes and preview the page to ensure everything appears as intended. As for creating additional pages, the process remains consistent. Now, let's proceed with creating the last 2 pages. To begin, we'll need to create a form in HighLevel and accessing the form builder. From there, we can create a new form. In this section, we'll ensure consistency between the landing page and the form by aligning the questions with the information requested. Following the statement, 4 quick questions, we'll arrange the fields accordingly, full name, email, phone number, and company website. These fields will be marked as required, ensuring users complete them before submitting the form. At the bottom of the form, we'll add a Submit button, which we can customize for better visibility. After saving the form, we'll return to the funnel and proceed to create the form fill-out page. Here, we'll add a section with one column to center align the content. Then, we'll insert the form element, selecting the previously created form. Though we can enhance the appearance later, this setup will suffice for now. Similarly, for the thank you page, we'll follow the same process of adding a section and column, and within this setup, we'll convey our gratitude to them for selecting our course. Once the pages are set up, we'll link the buttons on each page to the corresponding next step. By selecting Next Step in the button actions, users will seamlessly transition through the funnel. After saving the changes, we can test the funnel by previewing the landing page, clicking the button to access the form, submitting information, and confirming redirection to the thank you page. This ensures a smooth user experience throughout the process. The flow is functioning correctly, which is a positive outcome. This covers the fundamental steps of setting up a 3-step funnel and a landing page. Now, let's discuss an additional action we can prompt on the thank you page. Upon reaching the thank you page, visitors can be prompted to pursue additional steps, like scheduling a complimentary consultation call, where they can gain customized guidance and strategies tailored to their unique business goals and challenges. They can select a suitable time and date using a calendar embedded on the page. To integrate the calendar, we'll utilize custom HTML. First, we'll obtain the embed code from Calendly, our automated appointment scheduling software. While both Calendly and GoHighLevel have calendar scheduling features, there are some key benefits to using Calendly. It offers focused scheduling with extensive branding and flexibility, making it ideal for straightforward scheduling needs. It stands out with features like round-robin scheduling and payment processors, supports group scheduling, and offers detailed analytics, features that GoHighLevel either lacks or provides to a lesser extent. Overall, the choice between Calendly and GoHighLevel depends on specific needs and priorities. After copying the code, paste it into the custom HTML block within the page editor. Save the changes and preview the page. This automation simplifies the appointment scheduling process, fostering smooth communication between users and our team. So, that's the foundational structure for our funnels, demonstrating how to construct 3-step sales funnels to capture leads and schedule automated booked calls using HighLevel. Thank you for tuning in.